Our dental clinic is designed to make clinic operations more efficient and organized. It helps in managing patient and doctor information in a faster and more secure way. Through the system, clients no longer need to fill out forms manually on paper. Instead, they can easily input their details online, saving time and efforts. The system ensures that all information is stored safely and protected from unauthorized access. It also allows doctors to access patient records quickly and accurately. This helps improve the overall quality of service provided by the clinic. The system minimizes human errors that usually happen with the manual record keeping. It also allows easier appointment scheduling and the data retrieval. Overall, this dental clinic system promotes convenience, security, and efficiency for both clients and healthcare providers.
So, ito po yung website namin, Dental Clinic. Isa po siyang dental clinic sa Laguna. Ginawan po namin ng website because of yung appointment system nila is text lang, gano'n. Manual pa rin po. So, gumawa kami ng website about dito. So, ito yung, pakita ko lang saglit yung homepage. Yan. So, bali mag-login tayo. And, sign up tayo para makita one by one mula sa pag-register. So, for client, kunyari, ang client natin is si Jason Tabas. Age, 20. Gender, male. So, contact number, 483. Yan, sample. Email. gmail.com. Tabas. So, 1, 2, 3. Yan, ito. Isang 3 lang. Create account. So, pwede ka din maglagay ng photo. Pero, create account na natin. Login. So, mag-login tayo. Tabas. Yan. Nakalagay. Tabas. Hashtag 123. So, as you can see, wala pang doctors na available kasi dinedemo ko lang siya na wala pang mga accounts. Ayan. And yung profile. Dito may kita lahat ng doctors, all doctors. Sa book appointment, dito mo makikita yung mga schedule na available yung doctors. Pero wala pa tayong nilalagay. Kaya wala pa tayong nakikitang mga available. And then sa may appointments, dito mo makikita yung appointments mo. Tapos pag history, pag tapos na yung procedure. And then, so mag-login muna tayo sa doctor. Ayan. So, sign up tayo. Doctor. Kunyari, si Doctor 1. Age, 40, ganyan. Female. Contact number. Sample lang yan. So, Doctor 1. gmail.com. Then, ano ba password? Doctor 1. Parehas na lang. So, dito login tayo as a doctor. Doctor 1. Gmail. Doctor. Hashtag batot. Yan. So, ayan. So, naman sa doctor, may kita mo yung may appointments, may calendar, and may patients. So, wala pa siya naging patients kasi wala pa siyang booking. And then, sa admin, login natin yung admin para makita natin isa-isa. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita naman ni admin dito, yung dashboard, kung sino yung doctors. And then, scheduling din, appointment, patients. Ayan yung patient na nakapag-sign in na. So, una, gagawa muna tayo na sa doctor ng schedule nila. Ayan, edit schedule. Kunyari, specialization niya is orthodontics. Tapos, meron siyang 8 years. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang 8 years of experience. Yung available days niya is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Ito yun, yung for Dr. 1. So, start time niya is, kunyari, 8 a.m. Ganyan. To 4 p.m. Nalagay niya. And then start date, kunyari, Friday. End date is, ano ba? Ito. December 5. Save. So, mag-a-appear yan. Lahat ng MWF na within that day na nilagay niya yung start to end, malalagyan na ng schedule. Yan, di ba? Hanggang ayan. Ayan. Hanggang dyan lang. So, bali, etong date na to, pag tingnan natin kay client, ayan, ito yung client side, ulit, reload natin, ayan, lumabas, yung kay Dr. 1, ayan siya, orthodontics, 8 years, tapos Monday, MWF, 8 to 4, available time niya, so pwede ka mag-book, kunyari, 10, eto, book ako ng 10, so, kung anong time ka mag-i-start, 11 a.m. Ayan. Mamimili ka ng services mo. Removal, ceramage, person infused, title. Kunyari, itong dalawa. And then, mamimili tayo ng payment method. Pwedeng walk-in. Pag walk-in, is kailangan mo mag-attach ng valid ID. Siyempre, parang proof of ano lang din. Na digit yung mag-a-appoint. So, online payment, pwede. Ito, kaya naka-X siya kasi ano lang siya, example. Kunyari, dyan ka mag-send ng payment through online, Gcash. Ayan, kunyaring ano lang, card ID, number ID, gano'n. Card number. So, ayan, pwede ka mag-attach. Ito tayo, walk-in. Kunyari, attach tayo ng valid ID. Pictures. Ano ba? Wait lang. Saan ba may pictures? Screenshot, kunyari. Ito, kunyari, ito. Attach lang tayo. So, ayan, book now. So, doon, pagka-book mo, makikita mo sa may appointment yung details na yung binook mo. And then, ayan, services, doctor, kasi yung doctor, yung date. So, hindi pa siya na-accept ng doctor kasi pending pa yung situation niya. Ito yung details, full details. Status niya, pending pa lang. So, ma-accept yun once na nilagay ni doctor na ayan, makikita ni doctor. Sa doctor side, makikita ni doctor na ganyan. Pending pa, view details. Pag view details mo, may choice si doctor kung mako-confirm or ika-cancel niya yung session na to, yung appointment. Pwede niya din ilagay yung completed. So, pag kinonfirm ko to, update. Confirm na. Pagka-confirm, may kikita ni Ayan, client. Na ito. Yung appointment niya is confirmed na. So, malalaman niya na, at least alam niya na pwede siya pumunta kasi confirmed na. And then, ganun din kay admin, makikita niya yung situation ng appointment na confirm na din. Pero ang ano lang kasi dito ni admin is yung mga account ng doctor and clients. Kasi si doctor na mismo bahala kung mag-accept siya. Gawa ng sa kanya ini-schedule kung approve ba yung schedule o hindi. Hindi siya makakapunta. So ayun, approve na. So once na natapos naman na yung session. Once na natapos na yung session, eto, punta tayo kay doctor. Pwede niya na tong i-complete yung status. So, pwede niya i-update. Pagka-update naman, is pwede siya maglagay ng reseta or prescription na, kunyari, 2 times, 3 times a day by Jessie, ganon. Kunyari lang, example. So, ayan, save prescription. And then, pagka-close ko na. Completed na yung nakalagay. And then, ayan. Makikita natin to sa client. Wala na yung appointment niya kasi tapos na. Natanggal na sa may appointment. And then, sa history makikita ko, ayan. Ito yung history ko na natapos na yung session. Makikita ko yung services, ayan. Tapos, ayun, yung prescription. Kunyari, si aming doktor, 3 times a day na by Jessie, gano'n. So, parang mas madali lang, mas maganda din to kasi gawa ng, kunyari, di ba, pag nagbibigay mga doctors ng prescription o reseta is nakapapel. Pwede nilang mawala yung papel, gano'n. Pwede nilang ma-misplace or mawala yung yung papel kung saan mo nila mawalagay. Or mabasa, mapunit, gano'n. And then, after nun, nakikita na yung history. Ayun na nga, completed na.
In conclusion, the dental clinic system provides a modern and efficient way of managing clinic operations. It reduces the need for manual paperwork and makes the process faster and more convenient for both clients and staff. By storing data digitally, the system ensures better security and organization of important information. Doctors can easily access patient records anytime, which helps in providing accurate and timely treatments. Clients also benefit from an easier and smoother appointment process. Overall, the system improves the productivity of the clinic and enhances the quality of service offered. It also reduces errors that often occur in manual record keeping. Through this system, the dental clinic becomes more efficient, reliable, and ready for digital transformation.